Okay, this rather messy looking bed is an attempt at creating some perennials, and not really sure if this worked out very well. Because my goal is to have this just be really drought resistant perennials over here. And this is going to be, pretty sure that's Rebecca. I had a few plants left over and I had to do something with them. This should be an echinacea. So maybe it's not as bad as it looks. Or maybe it is, but we're still going to make it work. Okay, so calendula, here we come. Alright. Wild and crazy bachelor buttons that keep falling over. Now this section over here, see those white sticks? Yeah, I gotta find a pair of hairy gloves to do those. Those take leather gloves, and even then the leather gloves go through. That is solanum. It's a nightshade, and it is nasty. Unfortunately, once it has the big taproots in there, you almost never ever get rid of it. So it's unfortunate. But we made progress today. Got a bunch of the weeds out of here. Not all of them, but a lot of them. Got the calendula planted in here. I gotta go check and see if the irrigation is done on the first section where I planted all the gomphrena and bachelor buttons, and then I'll run the irrigation on here. Make sure it gets soaked in really well, and we'll be starting well. And this irrigation here right now is temporarily connected to the same spot that I planted the lupins, so they'll get water too. So, okay. So I think that will do it for today. I may try and get some onions planted out. If I do, I'll probably run the camera, but we'll see. I need more water first. I drank one half-liter bottle and I refilled it, and it's time to drink the other refilled bottle. So be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because you know we're going to be doing lots more. I've got flowers for these beds, flowers for those beds, flowers for the beds over there. There'll be more vegetables that we'll be switching out over time. Lots going on, not to mention all the stuff that still has to be planted out here. So until next time, bye, and keep on brainstorming, because obviously we are.